In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Behance profile link. This link is essentially your public portfolio URL, a crucial piece of information if you want to share your work with potential clients or collaborators. Let's dive into two straightforward methods to locate it. First, let's explore how to find your Behance profile link directly from your profile. To begin, you'll need to log in to your Behance account. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring down a menu, and from there, you'll want to select Profile. Clicking this option opens up your public portfolio page where all your creative works are showcased. Now, the key part here is to move your attention to your browser's address bar. The URL displayed there is your profile link. It's as simple as copying this URL to share wherever you need, whether it be on your resume, in an email, or on social media. Next, let's look at an alternative method through your account settings. Sometimes you might find yourself already navigating through your account and want a quick way to grab your profile link without going back to the main page. From your Behance dashboard, find and click on Account Settings. When you enter your account settings, you should see a section labeled Profile Information. Under this section, your custom Behance URL will be displayed prominently. It's designed to be accessible so you can easily copy it. This is your shareable link, ready to be used in any context where you want to guide people directly to your online portfolio. Both of these methods provide easy access to your Behance URL, ensuring you have the ability to share your portfolio effortlessly. Remember, your portfolio is more than just a collection of your work. It's a reflection of your skills and creativity, and having a readily available link means you're always prepared to showcase your talents to the world. Whether you prefer to access it directly from your public profile or through your account settings, you now have the tools to ensure that your work is always at your fingertips. Keep this link handy and update it in all platforms where your professional information is listed. Thanks for watching, and now you're ready to share your unique Behance portfolio with confidence.